Hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can earn between $100 to $2,000 per day if you really want it, just by copy and paste it. And also I'm going to show you a Google trick. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about real ways to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a way in which you can make between $100 to $2,000 per day. If you really want it, you can do this, or if you want it, you can do this per month. Please watch the entire video, because at the end I'm going to show you a better way in which you can earn even more money online. Okay, so we are going to need a couple of websites in order to accomplish this. The first one that I'm going to mention is textbroker.com. I already mentioned this website on other videos, and this is one that I really like because they pay you just for typing. You will need to create here where it says I write content, and you're gonna be here on the authors page. Okay, with text brokers, your writing talent pay off, give you access to thousands of projects, and it's actually free to join. They have been online since 2005. So this is not something that it's just happened to show up and then it's gonna disappear. Why you're gonna be, deciding to use Text Broker and not another company? First of all, because they are free of charge. They're flexible times management, so you do not need to commit to a regular hours or any other kind of hours. And it's actually they pay. Okay, so Text Broker offers several payment options, but this is the very first site that I'm going to show you. I know that sometimes Text Broker is not available in certain areas, but this is a great recommendation, and I want you to take that into consideration. How much you can earn? Well, here is like a calculator, and just in case that you would like to take a look, click here where it says payments. Depending on the quality of your skills, okay, and you can earn between 7 cents to actually not even 7 cents, 0.7 cents to 5 cents. Okay, so I want you to take this into consideration. The average page author, it's actually 5 stars, and here is actually like a calculator, so you can see. Let's say that let's say that you're gonna go with the average that's 4 stars, right? So 4 stars, and our article is gonna be 1,000 words long, so that's $14. It's gonna be smaller, of course. The payment's gonna be smaller. Let's say that's gonna be 500 words. It's $7. It is a really long article, most likely for an ebook. They're gonna pay you $154. If you're on the top, it's gonna be $550. It's for 1,000 words. It's actually $50. So this is actually for you to have like an idea of how much money you can get paid. Remember, the website is called textbroker.com. And again, I know that for some reason, sometimes this is not available in certain areas, so I want to give you another option, which is also great. It's Moneypantry on moneypantry.com. I like them because they give you a lot of websites, so it doesn't matter what's your niche. For example, you can go with short stories. Maybe you're gonna go with something political, news, and entertainment. Maybe you like to write about jokes, education, religion, business, money, parenting, lifestyle. So they do have several topics and different prices. As you can see here, for example, writing, about science, it can be between 8 cents to 10 cents per word. But here, for example, in technology, if you decide to go with the iPhone Live magazine, you're gonna get paid between $50 to $100 per post. There are others who pay one more, like for example, kit planes. If you like about outdoor sports, right? They pay you between $250 to $1,000 per post, right? So there are several topics and there are several prices. So this is actually good because you have a lot of options, and sometimes even way more options depending on the niche that you want to go ahead with. My suggestion is, like, if you're really interested like in one or two niches, go for it, right? And choose the website, check out like what's their requirements. And by the way, you don't need to be a pro to be, to submit your articles. This is something that I really like, and they do have several ways in which you can make you can receive your money. Most of them pay through PayPal, but I know that there are others who have like different options. Okay, so this is actually a really good one if you are interested about lifestyle, because they pay you $1,000 per article plus 25% royalty. So this is going to be passive income. Okay, now that you know the websites, now that you know, like, okay, I already decided that I'm going to go with this one, you can write in as many sites as you want. Maybe you are like, okay, I am not a copywriter. I don't have the quote-unquote the skill, but I'm really interested in giving it a try. Okay, how are you gonna, get the information? Okay, I'm pretty sure that you hear about this website, which is Quora, Quora.com. Quora is basically a Q&A site. So as you can see here is my feed. My feed is because these are the topics that I'm interested on. I'm interested about making money online, small businesses, viral marketing. So when you create your Quora account, which is 100% free, and this is actually worldwide, and you can have different languages. For example, I have Spanish and English, right? So you're gonna get more information, and this is actually cool because since I speak Spanish, I can refer, some of the information from Spanish speakers. Okay, so if you have another language, that's cool. It's just English. It's okay, right? And what you're gonna be doing here, you're gonna be putting out a question, or if you're again really interested about certain topics, you don't even need to type them. You just go ahead and browse on the feeds. Okay. So, for example, here I have like, what are some of the greatest marketing disaster in history? I really don't know. So let's take a look. Let's say that I'm gonna be writing about this kind of topic, right? Let me click here so we can have a better look. Okay, what are some of the greatest disaster marketing histories? For example, here is a full article about this. Here they have Pizza Hut. Oh, I never thought about it. The Coke new receipt, I knew about this. Hyundai, Nestle, Fiat. So this is a really good article. You can also do other researches because chances are that there are more people answering these questions. Sometimes they do have it below. Here are other ones like, hey, these are British disasters, right? So as you can see, they do have a lot of content. So Quora is a great way in which you can get information about everything. If you want to go with weight loss, right? I'm gonna click here, weight loss topics, because maybe I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna be writing about health or weight loss, right? Because I decided that's gonna be my thing. So, here is it. So here are some articles about weight loss, right? So this is actually really, really cool. Like, hey, this is maybe something that people might be interested in how do I do a marathon, 50K, 50 mile, 100K compares. So here's a detailed article about it. I can click and get even more information about it. So this is going to be something cool if maybe I'm on the health industry. So this is how actually you can get the information. But just in case that you're like, okay, this feels awesome, this is looking good, but I don't want to be, typing, right? Okay, you can go to Google Drive by going to drive.google.com, and they do have a tool that is similar to Microsoft Word, but this tool has something that is the voice typing. You're gonna click here where it says Tools, Voice Typing, and you're gonna click here, click to speak. I'm not gonna click it right now because I'm recording this video. So that means that you can write, or you can you can read about the article that you're interested, and you can paraphrase it, you can rephrase it. So it's gonna have your own touch, if you're gonna have your own flow to put it away, right? And if you are doing way more research, because you can also Google now that you know that there are people who are asking this information, you can Google like, okay, I would like to Google information about the comparisons between these type of marathons, and there are going to be other articles, not only on Quora but on Google, maybe with other blogs, and you can create your own. And rather than to be typing there all day long, you can be here creating content, and it's going to be way faster because there are people who do not type really fast. But with Google, you can do it. Always check on the wordings, because I know that sometimes it can have that problem. So this is a way in which you can earn this money between $100 to $2,000 per day. This is not passive income, because as you can see, you need to put the hours, you need to do the research, you need to submit the articles. But if is this something that you're really interested in, and this is the main reason why you need to choose a topic that you're passionate about. But I prefer to do a better way, to earn money. I prefer to do passive income because I prefer to enjoy my life, enjoy the time with my family. So if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online while you travel, while you sleep, while you're enjoying the life, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be my top recommendation. So if you're interested about it, please click the very first link. If you guys enjoyed this content, please also leave me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.